Next up, intelligence control for Legion. We need to have 5 UAV towers active at the same time. Preferably find 1, 2, 3, 4 of them close by together, activate a 5th one, and then run off somewhere else to activate them. As a team, you can split up, which is definitely something you'll need to do. You won't be doing this mission solo. It's very difficult, even with a helicopter. 1, 2, and then off to the east. There's 1 in this town, there's 2 to the south of this town. Yeah, that one. That's easy to get to. It should be safe. Just don't go to the east of it. I'll do these 2 up north there. It's fine. Here's number 2. Cool. 2 are done. There's 3. It's the 2 to the south of the city. Quick, boys. Quick. Did you do it? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. There we go. Done. Mission's done. And there we go. Mission complete. Super simple to do. It requires some team coordination. With 3, it's possible. With 4, it's easy. 2, it's definitely a challenge, but you can probably do it solo. I really don't think you can do it solo. I tried. It's very difficult. Maybe there's a very slim chance. Anyways, that's about it for the super quick guide. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.